information. Let's explore the three fundamental processes of memory. First, encoding is the process of converting information into a format that can be stored in memory. It transforms sensory input into a mental representation. Storage is the second stage, where encoded information is maintained over time. This can range from milliseconds to decades, depending on the type of memory. Retrieval, the final stage, involves accessing stored information when needed. This can be spontaneous or require conscious effort. Memory is organized into several distinct types, each serving specific functions and operating over different time periods. Let's look at the main types of memory and how they're classified in cognitive science. Sensory memory briefly holds sensory impressions after stimuli have ended. It lasts only milliseconds to seconds, allowing the brain to process continuous sensory input. Short-term or working memory temporarily holds information that's currently in use. It has limited capacity, about 7 plus or minus 2 items, and typically lasts seconds to minutes without rehearsal. Long-term memory stores information for extended periods, potentially a lifetime. It has virtually unlimited capacity and encompasses both conscious, explicit memories and unconscious, implicit memories. A crucial aspect of memory formation is consolidation, the process of stabilizing memories after they're initially acquired. During consolidation, memories are transferred from temporary storage to more permanent forms. This process occurs primarily during sleep, especially slow-wave sleep, and involves neural replay and strengthening of synaptic connections. Without proper consolidation, memories may remain fragile or be forgotten entirely, highlighting the importance of sleep for learning and memory. Perception and memory are not isolated processes. They constantly interact with each other. What we perceive influences what we remember, and what we remember influences how we perceive new information. Our perceptions, how we see, hear, touch, taste, and smell, form the foundation of what enters our memory system. The quality of our sensory input influences the strength of our memories. What we pay attention to determines what will be remembered. When we find meaning in what we perceive, our brains are more likely to encode that information into lasting memories. Equally important is how our memories shape what and how we perceive the world around us. Our prior experiences create frameworks that shape how we interpret new stimuli. These memories establish expectations that filter what we actually notice in our environment. Cultural and shared memories also play a role in creating perceptual biases that affect how we experience the world. A powerful example of this interplay is our sense of smell. If you have a strong memory associated with a particular smell, that smell can trigger vivid memories and emotions. Unlike other senses, smell is directly connected to the limbic system, which processes both emotions and memories. The olfactory bulb has direct pathways to the amygdala, which processes emotion, and the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory formation. This unique connection creates particularly powerful and emotionally charged memories. For example, the smell of freshly baked cookies might instantly transport you to childhood memories in your grandmother's kitchen. This constant interplay between perception and memory is essential for creating a coherent and meaningful experience of the world. Our perceptions are constantly being encoded into memories, which then influence how we perceive new information. This continuous cycle creates our unique understanding of the world around us. Without this continuous feedback loop between what we perceive and what we remember, our experiences would feel disconnected and lose their meaning and significance.